Nagma Firdaus, and I recently had the incredible opportunity to participate in a live project at Creative Code as a research analyst. During my time at Creative Code, I gained hands-on experience in conducting primary and secondary research. I learned how to efficiently collect and analyze data and use statistical method to derive the meaningful insights from it. One of the key skills I developed was the ability to prepare and present the detailed reports and findings to the stakeholders. These skills not only allowed me to apply the classroom knowledge to the real world scenario, but also witness the impact of my recommendations and findings on the project success. It was truly an enriching experience that solidified my passion for research and analytics domain. Thanks to the life project at Creative Code that enhanced my resume and showcased my practical skills to the world. The practical skills I gained at Creative Code is helping me get closer to achieving my goal of becoming a data-driven business professional one day. Thank you.